How to fix Webtoon not working. Hello guys, so first thing open the settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps now, all what you want to do is scroll until you find the Webtoon right here. Click on force stop, and when you force stop the app, now go to the storage. As you can see, click on clear data and click on delete. After that, go back, click on data usage, scroll down, disable all these options and enable them back again. Go back to the settings on your phone and go to the wireless and networks. Enable the airplane mode and disable it. And do the same thing with the Wi-Fi. Just disable it and enable it back. And last thing you wanna do is restart your mobile phone. So that's it guys, very easy and simple. Don't forget to like, subscribe and thank you for watching this tutorial until the end.